With Gradle 9, we enabled reproducible archives by default. This is a big step towards reproducible builds, but it's only a part of reproducible builds effort. What has changed? We changed the default Gradle core archive task configuration. Archive tasks now produce reproducible outputs. File order in archives is now deterministic, files have fixed timestamps, and file and directory permissions are fixed. As a result, archives are byte-to-byte identical across different environments, and this change improves the reproducibility of builds. This configuration is applied to tasks that extend abstract archive tasks, like zip, jar, and others. It's important to note that this is a breaking change. If your build relies on file order, file system timestamps, file system permissions, or file executable bit, you may need to adjust your build configuration. You can adjust configuration by configuring tasks directly. For example, you can restore to the previous behavior of archive task with a configuration like shown in this slide.